Most versatile farmers don't complain of price rates, especially spending much to buy manure. This is how I feed my goats from onset to this level. I just have to get the branches of palm tree, and from there they're very excited to welcome me in their own territory because I always come there every morning and the evening to give them all the respecting from me. You know what that means? The best food for every goat, especially local goats, is palm tree leaves. It has now become my hobby. Like, I love doing it so much. One major thing I do before giving them the food is that I have to tidy up the place, make sure it's very neat, because animals are just like human beings. In case you don't know, this is how they roll. So I have to tidy up the place. You think I'm going to dispose the references I got from there? No. This is the right manure I'm looking for. It is better than fertilizer. All my plantains, my bitter leaves, and all of them are going to enjoy this evening. So this is how I do it. Please give me a follow if you found this very interesting.